Kokami kids!
Mo, let's play with water today. Yay! Let's learn water action words. Come along, friends. Sing and play. Splash, splash, jump and splash. Pour, pour, water dash. Drip, drip, drop by drop. Water fun will never stop. I jump in a puddle. Splash, splash, splash. I pour water gently. Pour, pour, pour. The tap goes drip, drip, drip. Water actions are fun to learn. Splash, splash, jump and splash. Pour, pour, water dash. Drip, drip, drop by drop. Water fun will never stop. Light rain falls. Drizzle, drizzle. I water flowers. Sprinkle, sprinkle. The hose goes spray, spray, spray. Watch the water dance today. Oh no, I'm all drenched. Let's dive into the pool. Splashing, spraying, having fun. Learning water words one by one. Splash, pour, drip, hooray! Drizzle, sprinkle, spray all day. Drench and dive, laugh and play. Water action words today. Great job learning! See you next time. Bye-bye, friends.
Kokami kids!